Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Then click on font size and style and click on font style. Here you can select from the available options. I select another one and the selected font style will be applied. See the changes. Just go to the home screen and see the change of font style. Yes, it has been changed to what I have selected. Again I go to the settings and click on display, then click on font size and style, click on font style, and you can also download some fonts from internet. Click on download fonts and you will be redirected to this page, and here select top free. These are all the free font styles available to download and you can use it. I click on this third one and it will ask you to sign in to your Samsung account. You can also do it later. Just download and it will be downloading and installing. You can also use top paid, but you go to here, you go to purchase, you go to pay some money to download. These are all the premium font style. Now this selected free font style is downloaded, and click over it and click on apply, and yes, it is listed here, and select it and it will be applied. See the changes. Font style has been changed to what I have downloaded. If you want to set back to default font style, again go to the same settings and click on display, then click on font size and style and click on font style and set to default font style. So in this way you can easily customize font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.